Welcome back again, students. This is video 2 of grammar topic is MR plus ing. Use of is MR plus ing. And now we are going to do the application book, the worksheets of application book. So I think you all are ready with your application book. Let's start. So this is your English application book C. And we will take out page number 6. Page number 6, worksheet 9.4. Okay, 9.4. Read these sentences carefully. I am studying English. We are reading a comic book. He is writing a letter. With I am is used here. We are is used. He is used. And with the verb study, read and write, ing is used here. These are things that are happening right now. When we use ing to the main verb, it shows that the work is happening right now, at that moment, at the present time. Okay. We use ing words to talk about things that are happening now. We use am with I, we use is with he, she and it, and we use are with we, they and you. These things we know. We already know these things, isn't it? Now let us do the worksheet. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. He dash cleaning his car. With he, what we will use from here? Am, is, are. What? Yes, is. He is. He dash am is are watering the plants. Again with he, the same thing, is. They am is are watching a movie. With they, what we will use? Plural are. Are. I am is are writing. We know that I is having only one friend, that is am. So always we will use am with are. The teacher dash am is are writing on the blackboard. The teacher. We are talking about only one teacher here. So the teacher is. When we talk about one singular thing, we use is. Okay. So you will do this question A in your application book. You will open this video, you will watch, you will understand everything and you will do it. Okay. Now come to page number 7. Page number 7. Marty the clown is doing tricks. Use words from the help box to complete these sentences. One has been done for you. Here one help box is given. Reading, writing, juggling, speaking, playing. All these words are written here. Here pictures are given. You will watch this picture, you will look at it carefully and you will understand what to write in these blanks. What is indicated in these pictures? First one, see here. He is doing something. What he is doing? The clown? Yes, he is juggling. Excuse me. So the clown is juggling. Second picture. Look at the second picture. Pencil is there. One paper is there. He is doing something. What he is doing? Yes, he is writing. So here you have to write the clown is writing. Third picture. The clown is dash the drums. What he is doing? He is playing the drum. He is playing the drum. Fourth one. See, one list is there. And he is doing something. What he is doing? Yes, he is reading this list. The clown is reading. Here, he is having one microphone in his hand. What he is doing? Yes, he is speaking. The clown is speaking. So this is again your homework. Very easy, very easy. You have to look at this picture and help box is given here. So don't make mistakes while writing the spellings. Look, watch these pictures carefully and use the help box. Sorry. Now turn the page. Page number 8. See, put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Here the words are not in correct order. The is a bird worm eating. Is it a meaningful sentence? No. We have to make it a meaningful sentence. We have to put the words in correct order. So what will be the right sentence? The bird is eating a worm. The bird is eating a worm. Second one, TV am I watching? What will be the correct sentence? I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Flying a kite a day. What will be the correct answer again? They are flying a kite. They are flying a kite. Anne is up jumping down he. What will be the correct answer? He is jumping up and down. He is jumping up and down. Eating cake is a Nandini. Nandini is eating a cake. Nandini is eating a cake. Okay? Clear? Now, come to page number 9. Worksheet 9.5. Both the worksheets are related to use of is, am, are and ing words. Worksheet 9.4 and worksheet 9.5. Here, rewrite these sentences correctly. We have just done in our copy one worksheet now. Here, we is planning a party today. With we, what we are going to use? Is. When is used? Think over it. Yes, is used with singular. Here, we means more than one. So, what we will use? We are planning a party today. Sorry. Second one, my father am getting the cake. My father am getting the cake. No, it isn't correct. My father is getting the cake. My mother are decorating the house. My mother, I am talking about my mother only, and here I am using are. Is it right? No, absolutely not. It is wrong. We will use my mother is decorating the. My mother is decorating the house. I is helping my mother. With I, we always know that only we are writing am. I is having only one friend, that is am. So, how we can write is? I am helping my mother. 10 friends is coming to my party. Here we are talking about 10 friends, not only one friend. And we are writing is. Now you have to write this. Think over it. Meera are singing a song. Meera, only one girl is here, and with one girl we are using are. Think over it, what to write. Okay. Now, question number B. Add ing to the words in the box and fill in the blanks. Here, again, one help box is given. We have to add ing. But before that, we have to choose which one will be the appropriate word for the sentence given. So, first one is they are dash to Pune next month. So, what will be the appropriate word from this help box? What will be the appropriate doing word? Here, they are dash to Pune next month. What they are doing? They are going. So, go will be the appropriate word. And what we have to do? We have to add ing to this doing word. So, what we will write? Going. They are going to Pune next month. Okay. Now, turn the page. Number 2. The parrot is dash a song. Again, we have to choose the word from this help box. What the parrot is doing? The parrot is singing the song. So the word will be sing, and we have to add ing to make it singing. The ing form of verb. Okay. She is dash a new bicycle. She is what? Visit a bicycle? No. Learn a bicycle? No. Buy a bicycle? Yes. She is buying a new bicycle. But here the main verb is buy, and we have to add ing to the main verb. Okay. I am dash how to bake a cake. What I am doing? I am learning how to bake a cake. So here I will write I am learning how to bake a cake. My friends are dash my house today. My friends are dash my house today. What they are doing today to my house? They are visiting my house. So here the main verb is visit, and we will add ing to make it ing form of verb, visiting. Seema is dash a card for her father. Seema is making. Here the main verb is make, and we will again add ing to make it ing form of verb. Okay. So we have done this. But you have to go through all these questions more than once, so that you can understand it properly. Clear? Now the last one is question number C. Match the following to make sentences. Here see, all the subjects are given. I, Arushia, the lion, Govind, India, the boys, they. And here the helping verbs are given. Now you have to match. First you have to match the subject with the helping verb. Then you have to match here to make it a proper, a meaningful sentence. Suppose I am painting this wall by myself. Second one is Aru and Shia. Here we are talking about two girls, Aru and Shia. So we will use are. Aru and Shia are. What will be the right answer from here? Becoming a stronger country? No. Talking to his friend? His? No. Playing cricket? No. Shopping at the mall? Hunting in the jungle? No. Singing a song? No. Shopping in the, it will be, we can write that Aru and Shia are. So you have to do like this. You have to first match with are, then shopping in the, at the mall. The lion. The lion. Again, here we are talking about one lion. First, with the helping verb is hunting in the jungle. Okay. In this way, you have to do this. Govind, India, the boys, and they. So that you can understand. For your practice, I am not doing all these four. You have to do. But I am going to discuss with you. Now, Gobind, one person is here, is. Gobind is talking to his friend. Okay. India, again, India is becoming a stronger country. The boys are here. The boys are playing cricket. They, again with they, we are using are. They are singing a song. Okay. So we have completed this worksheet 9.5 and 9.4. But I have given you some homework. Here you have to do this homework. You have to complete this page number 7. You have to complete this question number 5 and 6 of page number 9. And again, these 4 questions, this question C, match the following of page number 10. And in our copy also 2 questions are there. So that you can understand it properly, what is the use of is, am, are with ing. Clear? So today up to this much. Again in our next class. Till then, bye bye.